I got a community strike and all my view have dropped overnight. I don't know, honestly. Maybe here is exactly what happened and what you should avoid for killing your channel. In this video, I will show you guys some tips that you can take so that if you have not get strike before, you will avoid this in the future, right? You check all this my last video right here, you see I have low views on all this video, which is not like this before. What happened right here is that when I started this channel, I start with the pure highlight, given how the value of how to make monies online, all these stuffs, right? So when times comes, I get a lot of videos. Like, one thing you should avoid is that when you want to upload your video, when you want to script your video and upload your video, you see something like processing on your video when you are uploading it. Facebook is going through your content, right? But at that time, they might not get anything on your video, any issue, right? So you can upload it. But in future, they will still get a lot of things from it. Maybe either someone report your video, right? So they will go through it again and see what you talked about. Like, they can flag you, and this is what you need to avoid, right? So these are the things you need right now so that you can get out of community strike or any other things, right? So there's two strike on YouTube, right, which we call community guideline strike and copyright strike. But which one is community guideline strike is that whenever you post content and that content violates their rules, it will give you strike even without using your use content, right? So if you had a link to your video, this is where the most people have issue. If you had a link to your video and the link is not working again, maybe you had it today and it's not working tomorrow, they will flag your account. They will give you strike on your account because the link is not clicking again, right? So all these things you need to avoid it. And if you later get this strike, how can you avoid the 90 days penalty that they will give you? That is the first mistake that I did in this YouTube platform, which I want you to learn from this experience, right? So this is your first time watching this video, my name is Enudami, right? So I just created this channel for you to help all these small creators so that I can grow and don't do any mistakes that I did when I started my first YouTube channel and my second one, right, which I started with no experience in this online space. Whenever you get a strike on your video, what you need to do is that go to the YouTube studio. You will see the community strike there. Click on it. Once you click on that link, you will see all the strike that you have, and that's why you need to check this day by day, because if you have 4 strike or 3 strike, YouTube will delete your account. If you want to avoid this, all what you need to do is to keep checking your YouTube studio day by day so that I can avoid this. What you need to understand is when you see this on your account, most of us check if it link violates all your content, right? If you see this video, if you see this message that they sent to me, they say, oh, this content that I post is violate their community guidelines. So I still have this strike on my channel right now, so it will end by next month, and I don't want you guys to fall victims about this. So what you need to do is that when you see if it's your content, what you need to do is to appeal. Once you appeal for your account and they say, oh, okay, well, they will release your account, you cannot go back and delete the content or unlisted it. Or the thing you can do before you appeal is that go and unlist video or put it in private, you come back and appeal. Or if you do this one mistake, like you go and delete the video before you come and appeal, there are same things that happen to my channel will happen to your channel, right? So once you have this, go and change it to unlisted or private and come back and appeal. It will leave your channel within 24 hours or 72 hours. The second thing is, if it is link violation, what you need to do is to go to the description of the video, delete the link and come back and appeal. That's how you can get out of these things. And this may affect your channel, because I see that for the past 2 months that I have this on my channel, I haven't grown well. I only grow on shorts. On my long form video, I didn't get much view, and I have something that affect my channel, which I'll talk about in my next video. And if you want to learn more on how to get out of being shadow banned or anything on this YouTube and want to grow, I make sure you stay. So I drop this video on my channel, which I will notify you guys when I drop this video on my channel, right? So you need to avoid all these steps so that you can get out of what we call community guidelines strike that can affect your channel, like not getting views. See on my screen 20 views, 18 views, 35 views for 2 days, which when I started with this channel, I have growth it to the extent that whenever I post, I get minimum of 150, 100 view, 150, 100 view. Like I get 300 views, 200 view, 500 view. But when I started having community guidelines, my views have dropped. And if you find this video helpful, kindly like this video so that others as a small creators can see these videos, and don't forget to subscribe and share these videos too to help others outside there